Hi, I'm Candace. I'm a lover of mountains and meditation and have decided to minimize my life, buy a Sprinter van and convert it into a tiny home on wheels. Having a background in interior design, I'm going to give you my tips, views and experience on design and how to project manage your conversion whilst being a total novice at doing the actual build. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. What I want to show you today is how to fit an external water filling attachment to the outside of the van. I didn't want to have to do this. I wanted to be able to fill from the inside of my van, but as it happens, my water tank is so high, and where it sits underneath my dinette, for me to get a gravity actually working into the tank, I have to raise it higher. That means I need to put it outside. So this is a little lockable one. I'll put a link below to these. They're actually very small. Obviously you want it lockable so that nobody can fill your tank with other things other than water and what you want to put in there. So it's very simple. This one is just a simple gravity feed and pressure feed, as in, you know, hose basically. Yeah. So that's the inside that would be locked, that you'll see outside the van. Inside, the gravity fed component obviously goes down toward gravity, and this one actually shoots upwards a little bit. So I need to find a spot in which this is going to work. So I'm going to start inside the van to do that. The tools I'm going to need today are going to be metal cutting tools, which is my metal cutting blade on the jigsaw. It's going to be Rust-Oleum sealant, and then I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to need to screw holes into adhere it to the side of the van. What I always do with these things is write down things I need to know. So I need to make a template of that shape, which is just a rectangle, which is 4 3/4 by 5 3/4, which I've already done. Okay. And then I need to know the length of my water tank and where its fill position is and the height of the tank, so that I'm calculating those things as I'm working out its best position. So that's what I'm going to do now. So it's going to end up pretty much here, right at the back, because I've got a very big freshwater tank and we can get in there. It's a very tight spot because I've already put this framing in. So I've already marked the template as much as I can. Now I'm going to drill pilot holes, at least 2 of them, and yeah, it's going to be a bit tricky drilling out that one, but here goes. So in this particular situation from the inside, I could only access the vertical and one of the horizontals. And now I'm going to grab the template again and trace it on the van. These 2 right-hand ones are providing the side. Make sure I don't hit, there's a rib here I don't want to hit. You can't quite see this, but there's a little groove here in the van that sinks in. I'm wanting to make sure I actually line it up. And there we have it. That is the waterfill hatch done. I'm just leaving it open. I did put lap sealant on behind this before I actually mounted it, so you can see that. I had to just clean up some of the lap sealant. In fact, I might add a little. You can see it's all in behind there, so it's good. There we go.